Today at BARR Plastics, we are testing out our new sloped IBC tote stand. This stand will allow for full drainage of an IBC tote down to about a ½ liter of product. This stand is built of our structural plastic panels and is designed to handle the weight of this tote. So the stand is designed so the operator can easily set it in place, and it has centering blocks to keep it kind of on the center line. Now the tote is in position, the operator can easily attach the hose for dispensing and drain this out to the maximum capacity. So we're now draining the tote to show how much liquid drains out when the tote is sitting on a flat surface. And generally, sitting on a flat surface, there is some residual that stays behind, either because the suction pump cavitates or the gravity feed does not allow enough volume to flow through. So once this drains down to where there's barely a trickle left, we'll close the valve and then we'll place it on the stand to see how much more liquid we get out of it when it's on the stand and on a slope. As you can see, as the tote becomes emptier, the flow really slows down dramatically, so it takes longer to empty out, and also you will get more cavitation on a pump suction at this level because the flow is so low and it will start to suck air. So with our drain stand, what we hope to do is show how this will drain out more completely and give you the best return on the product you're buying. In most cases, totes will only be drained down to this level, and as you can see, there's barely a trickle coming out now, and most people will generally turn the tap off and disconnect their hose at this point. Okay, so now we've got the tote back on the stand, and we're going to drain it into this container to see how much extra product we get out of it by using the slope stand. So you can see that the flow is much better now that it's on the stand. So it's going to give us a little bit more yield than we were getting otherwise. We have some clients that are dealing with product that is worth $50 a liter. So every liter you leave in this tote is $50 you're leaving on the table. And as we can see here, we're getting an extra 2 to 3 liters at least out of this tote. So that's just about it. So we're going to stop now and measure what we have in the bin. Okay, so we got this nice jug here, which is 2 liter capacity. So we're going to dump the bin of water into this jug to see how much water we had left in the tote. So as you can see, we have excess of 2 liters of water that we got out by placing this tote on the stand. So a minimum of 3 liters total savings. So if you've got $50 a liter product, you just saved $150 on dispensing this tote by using our slope stand. Huge savings, and I think it's mandatory for any company that's dealing with valuable liquid products, and also does a great thing for the environment by utilizing as much product as possible and not wasting it and flushing it down the drain. So here's a great reason to buy these stands from BARR Plastics.